Hey guys, welcome to Operation Crypto and an update in terms of price analysis on Injective protocol. I have covered this project before in terms of fundamentals. I think it must have been, I don't know, 6 months ago maybe, so we've not revisited it since. As you can see, we have no previous TA on the chart, so we will have a look at some key areas of resistance and support and have a look at some areas where we could potentially place some orders or even open a trade. If you're new to this channel, then please make sure that you are subscribed, hit that like button, and let's crack on. This video is in partnership with Cointelegraph Markets Pro. If you are wanting to get one step ahead of the game and get news alerts instantly before everybody else knows about them, then go and check it out. You'll find that link in the pinned comment and the description. We also have the Vortex score, which does give you a great idea of historic data when a coin has acted in a bullish or bearish manner. So, Injective protocol, INJ. Not covered this for a long time, so I just thought I'd have a quick look at some of the key statistics. Maximum supply 100 million, and out of those in circulation it's $36.655 million. If you're looking at the coin price today, it is $11.15, bringing the market cap to $363 million. One key point I'm looking at is the markets and where we're trading the most. I would suspect that Binance is getting a fair old chunk of volume, and it is 27% of the entire market volume there against USDT. But I am quite surprised how well this is spread out. I mean, look there, you're getting 8% against BUSD, you're getting a further 6% against BTC. One I noticed down here, that Bitmart against USDT is getting nearly 10% of the market volume, so that's quite substantial. But we are broken out through a lot of exchanges. PancakeSwap's getting some, so if you're looking to get over a DEX, you can get on PancakeSwap too, and Who.com. 3% of the volume there, so it is well distributed, that volume. It does show that we've got liquidity across multiple exchanges. If you're wanting to look at some of the tokenomic data, you can check it out on the Explorers there. So key stats looking okay. Just in terms of volume, how much we're getting, $27 million worth of volume, so that's quite a significant amount too. Right, so Injective protocol, US dollar. This is the chart on TradingView Binance chart. I want to start off with just a weekly time frame, as we've not covered this for a while. Let's have a look at a few key points. So first up, we'll mark the all-time high up here, which was $27.22. We did quite a substantial retracement. If you're looking at how far we dropped from the top to the bottom, we did a 82% recovery, drop should I say, and so far in terms of recovery we've done a 220%. That's significant, that is. This drop here, nothing to worry about that, and pretty much the entire market got shaken out, and it is what it is. I mean, Bitcoin died and then everything else died with it, but altcoins really got a nasty sell-off. But fundamentally, nothing wrong with this. But we'll just mark up the bottom there. As you can see, we're pretty much double bottomed there, and then we did do that tick to the upside. I just want to have a look, see if we've got any areas of resistance. If you look at all these wicks around here, which we have wicked off there, so I'm going to capture all them wicks within one box. So if you look at that, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 wicks within that range, so that shows that is a key area of resistance. And you could say we've got one, so let's just copy that. We've got an area of resistance up there too, around there. So that's 2 levels of resistance, and just in terms of support, it looks like that's an area of support too. So we'll just move that down. And that just show we've got some support down there, which we've currently bounced into. So if you look at all these wicks here, bounce, 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 rejection, rejection, bounce. So that's all weekly levels of support and resistance marked up. Drop into a daily, you can see we've got a little bit of structure there now. So we have come back down and we have retested this area of support so far at about $10. In terms of Fibonacci, if you go from the entire bottom of the move all the way to the top, we have lost that 382 level now, which is quite significant, and you expect that we are going to come down and test this region on the golden ratio, which is the 618. If we do come out down here, that will marry nicely with a nice tap on that moving average 50. So I'm looking for a potential setup like this. We've done that major impulse move up, we're now coming down, we do the golden ratio retracement down here, and then get some nice growth after that. I do believe that September, I mentioned it throughout my videos, might be bearish, maybe. Historically it's been bearish, but may not happen to a T. But If you're looking for buy orders, I would consider buys around this range, around $8.92. It does look like we've had a nice rollover now. So things, as you can see, we've had a nice top there. That's a bottom. Move up. Retracement is inbound for me. And I think we are going to come down and test that region there. So get rid of them. So buys at $8.90. Don't be scared, though, of putting a couple in lower. I mean, look at this wick here. If you look at that wick, and we've got quite a few wicks within that range, don't be worried about putting any orders in down around $8 well. So maybe ladder a few in, maybe from $8.90 all the way down to $8. And I think that could be a decent area for you to potentially target if you are bullish, and if you're a holder on this, it could be a great time to get some top ups there. Though, if we do bounce off this area of support and start pushing to the upside, it is all dependent on Bitcoin, because if that starts rallying, ultimately altcoins are going to rally with it. There's no specific TA for that. If Bitcoin rallies, everything else follows it. So if that does rally, first areas to get through is that weekly level of resistance there at around $15. If we flip back to support, I mean, you can look at $19 as well, and that's close to that $20 range with my map box. But what I will do, if we break through this area of resistance at $15, I think it will Bobby over on Twitter has been absolutely hammering me for some price analysis on this. So if it does pop above $15, drop me a DM, mate, or just spam me in comments, and I will jump into some more price analysis. Looking at the money flow, we was just ticking to the green, the positive side in money flow in terms of more buys and sells coming through, but that's ticked to the red now. And I think most altcoins are looking very, very similar to that. I can see a little bit of a shakeout inbound. Some people just seem to think we're going to pump and straight up to 280k. It's never that simple, is it? We'd all like that to happen. Although I'm not denying that 280k can't be hit, it's not going to happen overnight, is it? So things move up in waves, and I think this is going to have a nice retest of his 50 and then push on. So that's that pair pretty much covered. Let's just have a quick look at the sort of the Valkyrie indicator same. Is it okay? We'll just scroll down to it. We've got Injective protocol. This is a daily time frame. We're getting quite a few sell signals there on the indicator. So this is just the daily time frame. Usually, whenever the RSI is well oversold, you do get a red dot up here. As you can see, if you manage to sell then, you're already trading down here, and we've tested this moving average 50. If you're looking at this wave here, this is a area of resistance. Usually purple down here is area of support, as you can see. Last time we came down and tested that area of support, and the RSI was oversold, then we did get that signal, and bam, you'd have made a great profit up there. With that as well, we've had a sell signal there, hit that area of resistance, and it is looking like it's coming down now. If you want to check that indicator out, drop me a direct message. I can send you a direct link for that. Or if you look in the comments or the description of this video, we'll find a Discord link to the Valkyrie traders. That is a server where it's a paid subscription. There's a free part of it, but we have 14 traders pushing out trades daily. I mean, there's 14 of them pushing out trades quite often. So if you're wanting to get active into trading, go and check them out. And also within that, they do have the Valkyrie indicator in there if you're wanting to purchase this. So all in all, that's just a bit of a rundown on that indicator. Just going back, I want to just have a quick look at the BTC pair, and then we'll call it a day. I know some people do like to trade in Satoshis, especially, well, not so many new people, but people who are old school in crypto. I love to trade in sats, and growing those Satoshis is king. So we have, again, very similar. I'm just going to stick with daily time frame. I'm not going to put in areas of support or resistance, but we have lost that 382 level again. And similar scenario here, I'm expecting that we do test this region here. So that's at 2,100 Satoshis. So if you're looking for buys, potentially place them down there. I mean, look at this area here. All these wicks within that same area. So that just confirmed that we could get some buys within that range at around 2,000 Satoshis too. So buys anywhere from 2,100 down to around 1,900 Satoshis. But if we're looking for sells, let's just have a quick look up into the sky. That's a massive area of resistance all the way through there, which we've rejected off at 3,000 sats. So if you're looking to buy down here, maybe look at taking some profit up at 3,000 Satoshis. Wait for a retracement back to 2,400. And then hold on for dear life. But I'm not going to go into too much into depth with that. Buys around that region should be enough for you. So we've got a little bit of structure on my chart now. We will revisit this if we do get some good price action. It is set up now with some nice areas of support and resistance. So that'll do is for a good few weeks until we break up or break down. So that's going to do it for today's video. Thank you very much for the partnership of this channel, which is Cointelegraph's Markets Pro. I do suggest you go and check it out. It's a great feature. I've also got a video with a tutorial on my platform too, so go ahead and check it out. If you're new to this channel, then please make sure that you are subscribed, hit that like button, and I'll catch you next time.